Hey, this is Brian from Wright Consulting here with another video tutorial. Today I'd like to show you how to install themes on WordPress. If you've started a WordPress blog and you're not happy with the default theme, which is the one showing on my screen right now, you can install new themes on WordPress to make it look just about any way you want. You can select free themes that are available right on WordPress's site, or you can buy a premium theme. And I want to talk a little bit about what you want to look for and not look for actually when you're selecting a theme. You can go to the WordPress theme directory, which is at wordpress.org/extend/themes. They have thousands of themes available on here, and you can search by a variety of criteria too. You can select mobile themes, you can select 1 or 2 column themes, etc., etc. You can actually access this straight through WordPress as well. So I'm going to go over here to my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. There we go. And you can browse themes by going to Appearance. And if you go to Install Themes, here if you know the name of a theme that you're looking for, or part of the name, or a keyword that's associated with that theme, you can type it in here and click Search. Or you can filter themes by colors, columns, width, features that they come along with, and a special subject. Let's say we want to look for 3 column themes. I'll click that and I will click Find Themes. And as you can see, it brings up thumbnails. And if I want to see what that theme looks like, I can click Preview. And it brings it up right in the WordPress dashboard. And I can close back out of that by clicking Close up at the top. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind when you're searching for themes is that you want to install themes from a reputable source. If you're talking about free themes, that means using themes only from the WordPress theme directory that I just mentioned to you. If you install free themes from other locations, for example, if you go to Google and type in free WordPress themes, you're going to get all kinds of results, but the fact of the matter is the themes on a lot of these websites are not safe at all. They haven't been approved by WordPress, and they might make your site look really great. However, a lot of these sites that don't put their free themes in the WordPress theme directory, they're going to have malware installed within them. So when you assign that theme to your website, it's going to have malware running on it that can do all kinds of terrible things. It can actually redirect your website to you know, a hacking website or something like that. It could have a virus embedded in it. It can actually destroy your search engine optimization as well. I had a client a couple of years ago, before I was half decent at WordPress, that I installed a theme for, and it did just that. It completely destroyed their search engine optimization because it had all kinds of search terms embedded in the website that had absolutely nothing to do with my client's site. So when you're installing themes, again, if you're going to use a free theme, choose one from the free theme directory at wordpress.org/extend/themes. As I said, there's also premium themes available too. 2 notable sources of those are Woo Themes, which is www.woothemes.com, as well as themeforest.net. There's a number of others out there too, but I can only speak from experience about these 2. Both have very attractive themes, and both are pretty good as far as service goes. As far as the quality goes, I would definitely prefer Woo Themes over ThemeForest, only because their code feels like it's more well thought out. And as a programmer, I end up getting into the code for the theme or extending the theme with customizations of my own. And with Woo Themes, it's just easier. ThemeForest, their themes are attractive, but the code feels kind of cobbled together. So anyway, those are 2 options for premium themes. And again, I talked about how you can get malware in your themes if you install them from an unsafe location. And there's a website I want to give you right here, wpsecurity.com. and they have an article up called "Use Safe WordPress Themes." And if you want more information about this, that's a very good resource. And they list some of the same resources that I did, but they do a little bit better job of getting in depth on this topic. So that's www.wpsecurity.com/safe-wordpress-themes.htm. All right, so anyway, let's get into the actual process of installing WordPress themes. The first thing you're going to want to do is select a theme. And once you do that, if you're installing a theme that comes straight from the WordPress theme directory, you're already in your WordPress dashboard. And if you found the theme that you want, you can just click the Install Now link that's directly below that theme. And then you'll go ahead and click Activate. Now before you click Activate, the theme is installed, but it's not actually affecting your site. I haven't clicked Activate yet, so let's see what my site looks like. We'll open it up in a new tab, and it still has the same old theme that I was using. So now I'm going to go ahead and click Activate. And now if I view my site, you can see it's using that theme that I just installed. So that's a critical step. You can install a theme and not activate it, and it's completely available. If you go into your dashboard and click Appearance, under the Manage Themes tab, you're going to see all your available themes. And 2011 is the one that I was using. Now that's not active. The Shinra of the Sun theme is active, but I can switch between these at any time. And when you switch your themes, you don't lose the settings or anything that you've customized about the other theme, so that's totally safe. Another option is to download a theme from another source. For example, if you got a theme from WooThemes or ThemeForest, you wouldn't be able to install it by going to Install Themes and searching for it. You'd actually have to download it in a zip file from that location. And once you have that zip file, there's actually two ways that you can go about installing it into WordPress. Let me go ahead and download a theme real quick. And again, I can download a theme straight from the themes directory. And just give me 1 second to find one. There's a theme. Looks lovely. So I'm going to go ahead and click Download. And as you can see, that downloaded as a zip file onto my computer. Now, there are two methods that you can use to install this. The first is to upload the zip file directly through the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to show you that right now. If I go back to my dashboard, I go to Appearance, click Install Themes, and you can see there is an upload hyperlink right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now I can choose File, and I'll locate that zip file that I just downloaded for my theme. There we go. And now I will click Install Now. And this is going to upload the zip file, and it'll take care of extracting it on the back end. It'll just take a second to upload. Okay, now it's installed, and again you'll have to go through the Activate link. And now the Vintage is my active theme. We'll go ahead and confirm that by doing a Visit Site. There it is. Fancy schmancy. Now, the other way to go about installing a theme that you've downloaded is to upload it via FTP. Depending on your WordPress configuration, if you go through Appearance, Install Themes, and Upload, this might not work, or it might ask you for your FTP username and password. This is because depending on the way your WordPress site is configured, WordPress itself might actually not have permissions to create new files in your WordPress install, so it might have to go about doing it via FTP anyway. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do that. We'll find another theme. We'll find a black theme. We'll download that. And that downloaded very quickly. Now, when you're doing it via FTP, what you need to do is, let me go back here. Here's my zip file with the theme. We're going to open that up, and we're going to copy out the folder for the theme. When you download a WordPress theme, it's always going to have one folder inside of it that's the root of the theme. So now that we have that extracted, we're going to open up our FTP client. Now I use FileZilla, but you can use any FTP client that you want. And I'm already connected to my web server. And here's the root of my web server, and I have my WordPress install under a directory called Playground. And here's the root of WordPress. You can see you've got your WP admin, WP content, WP includes. We'll go into WP content, and we'll go into the themes directory. And now what we want to do is locate that folder that we just extracted. And there it is. I'm just going to drag this over into my themes directory. Wait for that to upload. It's going pretty quickly. Alright, now that it's uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my dashboard. Go under Appearance. And as you can see here, it's installed, but it's not activated. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Activate link and just verify that that's now my active theme. And sure enough, my blog now looks like some kind of horror movie site or something. So that's basically the gist of installing themes. Now, once you have your themes installed, there's all kinds of things that you can do to customize it. You can add widgets to your theme. You can create custom menus. Certain themes have custom options, and you can often get to those through the Appearances menu, or it might create its own root menu right here on your dashboard menu. It varies from theme to theme. We'll talk about widgets and menus and theme customizations in another tutorial. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Catch you later.